Hello and welcome. My name is Tommy and you are watching Stock Trader Diary. So this video is gonna be a little bit different than the previous ones. With my weak English, I'm gonna try to explain for you why you should always avoid to trade pre-market, especially if you are a beginner. In New York time, the stock market is open from 9:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. And the pre-market trade, it usually is begin at 4 o'clock in the morning, and it is until market open. And you always have to be carefully to trade pre-market, and in my opinion, you always have to avoid it. Of course, this is only my opinion, but also my experience, and I learned that it's always better to avoid pre-market trade. So my plan for today, I prepared $1,000 and I chose the company which I would like to trade pre-market, and I analyzed every information what I found. They had yesterday evening after market close earning report, which was very well. So let's continue on my computer and I'm gonna explain you everything, how I prepared, what kind of informations I was looking for, and why I chose that company and what exactly was my plan. Okay, so let's continue there. So guys, here we are. We have 5 minutes until the open. The company I chose, it is CODX, and I bought for 125 shares of the price of 9.25. So this is my entry point. At the moment, the price it is sitting on the $9, and it looks that it is a very strong support. It can be a very strong support, but 867, that's my next support level. And let's see why I just chose that company. They came out with an earning reports yesterday after close. And what is it here? Here we have. CODX shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q3 APS and sales results. And the company offers full year guidance above consensus. Shares up 14% after hours. And of course, there are a lot of more news and informations and details from the company. And we have also a new price target, which is actually lower, so that 15 from 16. But it is still much more than the $9 what we have currently. And the main reason why I bought the shares pre-market, at first I just want to try to show you what can happen if you buy shares pre-market. But as you can see, the price just went between 9 and 9.80. And just twice it just reached the $9 level to show me that it can be a support line. So don't forget, this is my first support line, the $9, and 867 is the next one. So we have like 1 minute until the open, and as you can see, the price is sitting strong on $9 on that level. So at the moment it is for me a support line. But on market open, it can happen two things. The first one, which I hope gonna happen, the price gonna spike on the open, and I'm gonna be in the profit very quick. The second one, the price gonna drop below $9, and I guess then it gonna drop until my next support level, which is the 867. But the 867 is for me a very strong one, so I cannot imagine that it's gonna drop further. So 867 gonna stop it, but I hope the $9 gonna stop it as well and just gonna spike further. So I don't focus on the price of the profit, how much I gonna make it today, if I gonna make it, because I'm with a small portion in. I just want to illustrate for you how does it look a trade if you place your order pre-market. So the market is just open, It's still a $9. Let's see. Let's see in which way gonna move. So 890. Okay. 88. Okay. It's just moving slow. 78, 76. If you see it's $60 minus I have at the moment. That is like 6% in minus. So can you imagine if it's gonna be with a $10,000 trade? It is also already $600 minus. 867. Wow, we just reached that level, 867. Okay, which was my second support line. Okay, wow, 867, just as I said. Wow. Okay, so I guess it is not gonna drop further. Normally, I gonna make one more order. So I gonna place one more order in that level. But if I said I wanna illustrate that trade and 876. So I just want to illustrate and only with the one trade. So I'm not gonna place another order. Okay. 880. I guess it is it wants to go back above the $9. So 935, and it just looks for me that doesn't want to go higher. So I guess I'm gonna close the position and yeah, just close it. Okay, so how does it look? Okay, I bought 125 shares on the price of $9.25 pre-market. Okay, it was like $1,100, which is not so much, but it was just for illustrating that kind of trade. And already before the open and a little bit after the open, I was in the $60-70 minus. This is compared with the $1,100 investment. This is like a let's say 6% in minus. So, and I finished the trade with a $12 plus, $12 profit, which is around like exactly a 1% profit. So you see, and that's the reason why it's dangerous to trade pre-market, because you never know what's gonna happen after the open. And if you wait, so just like now, if I am waiting until the open and I'm gonna get some confirmation, I try to understand the price action, which way the price wants to move. Maybe I could get that 867 support line, and then I can place my order, and then I'm gonna have that kind of 6-7% in profit. I hope I explained it well. So this is for me the reason why I never trade, or I try to never trade pre-market. I avoid that kind of trade. Yeah. So anyway, it is a profit. Don't see the price now. How much is the profit? Because it is actually it is nothing. But yeah, that's the reason why I never trade pre-market. So, and this is just one of the many reasons why beginner traders losing a lot of money. You always have to wait for the confirmation, but the real confirmation, you're gonna have it after the open. You saw how much it just dropped on the market open. So if I'm gonna wait for it, I could make that 6-7% as a profit, and I'm not gonna be in the trouble. Not gonna have 6-7% minus. So they always have to wait for the confirmation and never trade pre-market, especially if you are a beginner. But anyway, in my opinion, pre-market trade is just like a gambling, especially for beginners. But of course, there are professional traders who have 10, 20 or more years experience. Of course, they know what they are doing. But as a beginner, you should avoid it. Just learn first, get some experience, and try to be successful in the regular trading hours. Make your own rules, build your own strategies, and just learn as much as you can. And always stick to your rules. And as I always say, plan your trade and trade your plan, and never be greedy. So this is my advice for today in this video. I hope you enjoyed, and of course I hope you can learn something from that. So I appreciate it for watching, and see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.